How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube. Click on your profile on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings located at top right corner of your screen. In here, go to Your Data in YouTube. Scroll down till you click on Manage your YouTube watch history, and then click on Interaction, which is located at top right. You'll find videos likes and dislikes. Click on it, and to delete all liked videos, click on cross. Click on delete, and all your liked videos will be deleted. This is how to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.